Yo, what is going on, my Salsa Moto family? Hopefully you guys are all doing amazing. I just got home from the gym and needless to say, I received 2 packages. If you guys didn't check out my last video, you'll see that I've acquired the new S1000RR. The 2021, not the 2022. I wanted the all black, although the newer one looks kind of cool with it's got like red, it's kind of like a gray, but I really wanted the all black one. So I went with that option. I really like the bike and it came with some amazing features. If you haven't gone and seen that video, I'll throw the link down below so you guys can click on it and watch that. That was insane. I couldn't believe that I did that. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead. We got 2 packages received. One came from TST Industries. So the other one is from STG. I've followed them a lot. They're pretty good. I've purchased some of their products, and in their YouTube page, they're actually very, very detailed. The guy that does all the videos. So I'm gonna unravel this way. I just need an unboxing knife. Let's go with box number 1. All right. I know, because I've unboxed it backwards, so there we go. So we got some zip ties in there and some stuff. Ooh, block off plate. All right, we'll get into this one soon enough. We got a sticker. TST Industries. They're right here in Florida. Let's look at what's in the box. As you guys know, yes, this is the one I wanted. Oh my gosh, I've been drooling over this thing when I first saw it. The first video I saw this off of was, I think it was Motornosity, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, these lights, I can't wait to install this and see this. This is going to be amazing. Don't get me wrong, the ones that are on there are pretty cool, but I feel like everyone has them for that bike. And 2, the one that came with the actual, from the dealership, they have the one that's mounted, not the low mount, but the regular mount, and it drives me nuts. I don't like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make those changes. So this is the low mount bracket. So I have to figure this out. There's no instructions, so it's like go in blindly. It's a little bit of a bigger box. Oh, they gave me a whole magazine. Is there anything inside? Oh, that's it. All right. Oh, okay. I know what these are. Yeah. These bad boys. I need these. This is the first thing that you would want to install on your bike. These are frame sliders. I wanted them in red, but they did not have them. So these are supposed to be really, really good. It seems like parts are out everywhere. All right, this is interesting to say the least. Okay, so that's how that works. It goes like so, I believe. No, this. I guess it doesn't matter because it's threaded all the way through and through. And the thing is, you can change this puck, so this part stays in the bike. So I'm waiting for the red one to come out. All right, but that's basically it. So that's all the unboxing. So if you guys are a subscriber to the channel, thank you so much. If you're not a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so whenever I upload a new video, you guys can see that there's new content from me and all that good stuff. That is it for me right now. I have to get ready for work, so I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.